Hello all, this is Zach again. So I would like to give stock trade ideas that I think that is worth for you to monitor for next week. Okay, so this is Mitrajaya holdings for those that who likes short-term tradings with great rewards. You might may consider this trade, but of course can be some risk as well. So I'm going to show you how you're going to trade with lesser risk later on. Okay, so some of the things that I think if you are a VSA trader have to take a look at this chart overall and what I like about this. Okay, of course as usual just going to do a very quick market stages analysis using Dow Jones theory. We have distributions, and you can see right very clearly that we can see a very high volumes, and then there's the beginnings of stage 4. Of course in between we have a very long periods of redistributions followed by continuation of this downtrend over here. High volumes pick up at bottoms, okay, and then some change of trend, and now what we have here is another climactic volume, okay, with a very nice line change. So my question is that is this the beginnings of the uptrend or not? Just like similar here on the opposite side, we have a very high climactic volume, push the price down on downtrend, and we have high climactic here. Well, this is probably a good chance for this stock to reverse. Okay, but of course by looking like for those that who our members here who attended the last week, sorry, yesterday, our Pentagon training, like Martin always say that do remember that we must take our indices into considerations. So well, this year definitely is a trading just right, so I'm not going to expect it will straight jump up to the previous resistance here, okay, without any pullbacks. Okay, so let's zoom in because we are just trading at a very shorter terms. Okay, so this patterns here is kind of remind me against trades like NIM, JHM, OCK, CCK. Okay, when I draw this line, I can see that this increasing volumes, I have a shakeout areas. Okay, shakeout area and a very nice support. You can see I got lots of strength in the background, which tells me that activity from the smart money, and smart money continue to retest this support level. So this place have become this accumulations, and this accumulation finally have been confirmed with ultra high volume. This is the reason why I'm interested, okay, at these stocks. Okay, so a quick checks background if you know how to apply the market stages, Dow Jones, just like what I taught you during the course, then you should be able to pick up this pretty fast. Okay, of course we do use volume as well to tell me. So again, be careful, right? Because like I said, even Martin had mentioned at times, ultra high volumes, climactic volumes, is not the best place to trade. Okay, especially for those who are advanced in VSA. Expect some pullback because definitely sellers will be coming in, retest again. There's a reason why during the beginner course I do mention about the trading rules, right? The trading rule is that to ensure that those that are above have been closed above, okay, has been closed above one tick above, to ensure that there's a continuation support by a smart money. Okay, so against for this bar I do expect some sort of pullbacks. Okay, I expect some sort of pullbacks. I like pullbacks with low volume to tell me that smart money continue to support it. It would be the best. Okay, it would be the best if there's a spring signals. NS signals the best. Like for example here, right? NS is the best, right? NS markets just will going to be test resistance against NS. Okay, and then NS finally breaks above. So NS is the best for me. So of course, on the background here, I do have this Pentagon to support me, tells me that activities has started. Okay, activity has started. Okay, and you should be aware of these stocks. Okay, so for our TradeVSA members, when you have this sound swing side weakness, turn to hourly charts. Okay, sometimes in hourly chart you can spot the nice entry. Okay, so of course I don't have the very nice entry now because I still waiting for the next movement by smart money on Monday or tomorrow. So but seems like we are forming some sort of support here, so let's see what's the reaction of the market on Monday. So this is a stock that I want to show you, 5192 if I'm not mistaken, KSSC. I think I do mention several times in Telegram, and what I like about this. Okay, sometimes of course during the day when it breaks up 15-20%, and we miss it, and then we want to just want to trade to at least can get some of it. Like for example here, this by itself in hourly chart is already 13%, right? So of course I like to switch to hourly charts to check where is the next best entry. Okay, like for example here, this is the best next entry to tell me that support is coming in. Lots of strengths here, NS, line change, spring, and line change again. Now line change high volume and another down bar with lower volume, telling me that smart money are testing it now at the at the resistance. Okay, so if you can get some at these springs here, that'll be nice. So this is the one that I'm going to apply a similar one in Mitrajaya. So let's see tomorrow, Tuesday, if it forms spread bar low volume, especially if come with NS bar, spring bar, it would be nice. Okay, it would be nice. So this is a tips for you, for those that who are having this TradeVSA. You can just switch to hourly chart and just trade at a small time frame.